Well, guys, look at this right here. For some reason, of all days, on Thanksgiving, our daggone microwave can't open. It was over there at the counter, but I don't know what happened. Okay. It just wouldn't open. We unplugged it. I tried to bang it open. It still wouldn't open. But it's all good. We're going to have to get another one. Maybe that could be our Black Friday gift to ourselves. But we're going to lay this down to sleep outside. Hopefully you get picked up tomorrow during trash day. You did your job, but horrible timing.
Okay.
Horrible timing.
So I've seen something on Facebook where they're talking about 4 words that ruin Thanksgiving. This is not my 4 words, but how does your microwave break on Thanksgiving? I mean, are you serious? Unbelievable. So we gotta go back old fashioned way with my food up.
Right, in the oven.
In the oven till tomorrow at least. Unbelievable. That's funny because I made a video earlier today about my IGLOO ice maker not working. So there it goes again, guys. The IGLOO ice maker has not been working on for a couple of weeks now. We just now throwing it away, but the microwave stopped working today.
Say goodbye.
So I'm like, what is going on? Molly going outside with you?
Nope, no, you're not.
Well, there goes the microwave on this Thanksgiving day. To the oven, we warm our food. Until tomorrow. Alright, guys. We are here at Home Depot on Black Friday because, as you guys saw, our microwave broke on Thanksgiving Day. So, go Google. Did you look up Home Depot?
Yep.
Found a microwave he liked, and it's Black Friday sale. So let's go see which one we get. She said, "Come to the appliances aisle." Excuse me? Dang, the microwave is expensive. $348. What is our budget? We're not buying a microwave for this much money now. Found you.
Hey. I don't see the one I was looking at. So I'm about to ask them.
Oh, you got stainless steel? Yeah, look how much this microwave is. We need to go to Walmart. Here we go. That's the budget I'm talking about.
No. Okay, I think this is decent right here.
Which one?
I don't think that is that the one that was. Let me see.
Alright, guys, let's see what microwave we're gonna get. What you want to get, Samsung or something?
Yeah.
120.
I got a screenshot it.
So this is probably what we're gonna get.
We probably got here a little late.
It's already gone.
The one that I was looking at was already gone. There was 2 of them. There was this one right here.
Alright. We got a microwave. Yeah. We're home unboxing on the microwave. Ooh. You haven't got a new microwave in what, 10 years?
Yep, that's about.
We're excited about our microwave, y'all. Ooh. This is about 3 times bigger than the one we just had. Say hi, Molly. Everybody say hi to Molly. Molly. Say hi. So we had to get a microwave today, guys, because we have all this leftover Thanksgiving food. Yesterday, we just warmed it up, old-fashioned way. But my nieces and nephews, my mama come back over today. And we was like, we need to go ahead and get this microwave. The door opens. Ooh. Trash man here.
Damn.
What?
I was ready to throw the box out.
Trash man here. Go throw it out there. Too late. You can take it. Let's see if the yard man takes the box, y'all.
Excuse me.
It says Merry Christmas. My Trinity did that. Good, help them out. Merry Christmas! All right now. What?
Yep. And back to the microwave.
Need directions? Ooh, I'm so excited. Yeah, a little stuff excites me. This might be a little to y'all, but I'm excited about my microwave. I'm excited about my microwave, huh?
Yeah. It's clean.
It is clean. Alright guys, that's our microwave.
Yeah, I gotta put the glass in there. I gotta put the plate.
I'm gonna wash it first.
Oh.
I mean, you can stick it in there just for aesthetics or whatever you call it, cosmetics. But then I'll wash it. Alright, yay!
That's right. Merry Christmas to us.
Right. Early Christmas gifts. Black Friday. Alright, peace guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share these videos. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Black Friday.
Happy Black Friday. Bye. Bye, say bye, Molly.